Welcome. If you want to hear your Discord messages read aloud with text-to-speech notifications right from your browser, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to enable text-to-speech notifications on Discord web using your PC, all updated for the latest version. Let's get started by opening Discord in your preferred browser. Once you're logged in, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a gear icon next to your username. This is the User Settings button. Click on it to open up your personal settings menu. Inside User Settings, you'll see a list of options on the left sidebar. Scroll down and find the section labeled Notifications. Click on it to enter the notification settings. Now, scroll down until you find the Text-to-Speech Notifications section. Here, Discord gives you a few choices, but for this tutorial, we want to make sure you never miss a message. Select the option labeled For All Channels. This setting will allow text-to-speech to read messages aloud from every channel you're in, across all your servers, no matter where you are on Discord. That's it. With these settings enabled, any message sent with the text-to-speech command will be spoken out loud for you, making sure you stay on top of the conversation even if you're not looking at your screen. This feature is especially useful if you're multitasking, have difficulty reading text, or just want to experience Discord in a new way. Remember, you can always return to the notifications menu and change this setting if you prefer to limit text-to-speech to certain channels or turn it off entirely. Discord's flexibility lets you customize your experience to match your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Discord tips. Stay connected and enjoy your new text-to-speech notifications.